You guys set your goal, hopefully. Now, in this video, we're gonna be going over positives and negatives. Now, I don't know how many of you have heard, you are the 5 people you surround yourself with. You're also, the 5 main foods you eat. Your health is the 5 main foods you eat, or all this stuff. You can take that same concept and take it to multiple areas of your life. So one thing I wanna do is start talking about positives and poisons in your environment. So use blue, right? So you could say positives, and let's use red for poisons. Part of goal setting, part of, let's say this goal is you want to be doing $10,000 per month, man, passive, right? Every month. You've got recurring income. You're only working 10 hours per week, right? That's a lot of people's goals. So I just kind of use that as the kind of barometer. $10,000, by the way, in Los Angeles doesn't mean shit. My mortgage payment is $10,000 a month. But in most of America, $10,000 a month is like a good amount. So we're just gonna use that as the barometer. Now, in moving towards that goal, what we wanna do is we wanna think of things that are positives in our environment that are gonna help us move towards it. So an example of a positive is, let's say one of your college professors you still hang out with was a successful businessman who ran multiple businesses. That would be an example of, a positive. Somebody who is maybe a mentor, a successful mentor. You want to surround yourself with people who have already done it, who have already been there and done that before. Other entrepreneurs, if you're becoming an affiliate marketer, and I'll cater this specifically to affiliate marketing, but you want to surround yourself with other people who are marketers, other people who are entrepreneurs. And if you can, other people who are successful affiliate marketers. So, I would say I've made millions and millions, and I continue making a lot of money every single month, every single day through affiliate marketing. So hopefully I can be one of the positive influences in your career as an affiliate marketing. But you also want to surround yourself with other people who are marketers, affiliate marketers, etc. So, other things would be other affiliates, other affiliates, other marketers, stuff like that. Other sorts of positives in your environment. I'm not going to go into all the food spiel and whatnot. I personally believe it's really important, like what are the 5 main foods you eat? Is it like chicken tenders, hamburgers, French fries? French fries is definitely in the top 5 for me, but also in the top 5 for me is like salads, apples, yogurt, oatmeal, stuff like that. Positives for me surrounding myself in affiliate marketing, I'd say like mentors. I did a lot of training programs when I was starting out in affiliate marketing. I'd say other affiliates, marketers. Other positives in my environment were, my boss, actually. My boss was a positive influence in my environment because we were doing marketing every single day. When I left college, I ended up taking a job in a digital marketing agency where all I was doing was managing advertising for other companies. Why did I take a job? Because I wanted to be a full-time affiliate marketer. The reason I took a job was because I wanted to put myself in a position where I could do advertising all day and I didn't have to spend my own money doing it. And I could just be testing. And I tested on used hundreds of different companies' money to test ads, to test targeting, and to get really good at this skill of, in my case, online advertising. Positives can be clients. Positives, in my case, were clients who let me spend their money. Positives were all sorts of manner of things. I went to meetups, so that was another thing. Conferences were positives for me because I met other affiliate marketers. Meetups, I went to a ton of meetup groups to meet other affiliates. So figure out what your positives are that are moving you closer to your goal. If you're looking to earn $10,000 per month, surround yourself with more people making $10,000 per month. If you're looking to work 10 hours a week, surround yourself with other people earning $10,000 a month, working 10 hours per week. You're gonna get there as well. The thing is, keep more of these. If you could, I'd write down kind of who are people or elements in your life that are positive, that will take you closer to your goal, that are one step further to your goal than you are, or a couple steps Write them down. Make a point to see those people. Make a point to continue those activities. For me, learning was. Learning. I'm an obsessive learner. You don't even know. I had zero life. I didn't surround myself with any girls. I just spent time learning for years because I wanted to get really good at it. I should have surrounded myself with more mentors, but whatever. I ended up traveling a lot. So more of this, and we'll talk about optimization later. Poisons in your life could be, example of poisons in my life, I'll kind of speak from personal experience here, alcohol. Alcohol, it's not just the act of drinking alcohol and going out to a bar and drinking that takes up time and focus, but it's also everything the next day. Going out to a bar, let's say you're out at a bar from 8 to 12, 4 hours. 4 hours is a lot of time. You could have spent maybe learning a skill or working or meeting with somebody who could be a mentor or other affiliates or whatever, getting a client. Now, it's also the next day when you're tired, when you have lack of focus, when you're not totally on your A game. Alcohol can take people off. Some people it doesn't, but for me, alcohol was a serious deprecating. It was a poison in my ability to actually do affiliate marketing and learn and work and meet people that are going to take me close to my goal. Another thing for me was marijuana. Also, lack of focus. Marijuana has a half-life of, I think it stays in your system for 30 days. And I think everything can be done in moderation, but this was becoming, a poison in my career. So you don't want that to become a poison in your career. This is back in college. Other poisons can be, loser friends. If you're surrounding yourself with people who are not following their goals, they don't have goals maybe even, they aren't moving towards their goals, they're not doing any of that stuff, they're not learning, and they're just surrounding themselves with poisons, maybe parties and stuff like that, this is all not good, okay? So these people will hold you back. These are poisons in your life. They're actively holding you back. Other things are just time wasters. I don't know how many people have like family members or friends that just call them on the phone and talk for hours, but if they're not helping you move towards your goals, they're holding you back from getting to your goals, okay? So they're holding you back. You have to work as hard as possible to get all these things out of your life. I can't get rid of, some of my family members who call me to have mundane conversations, but I can get rid of stuff like this very easily. Other stuff that's time wasters. There's a million of them. Long commutes can be a time waster. Working out too much. Working out is good, but it can be a negative if it's taking over your life. There's a lot of poisons, and you have to watch out for them. False gurus. Gurus who are teaching but have never done before, or who are not actively doing. Obviously, I am actively doing affiliate marketing. You can go anywhere on any of my social media. You'll see affiliate marketing links everywhere, and that's just the stuff you see. That's not the advertising or the marketing that I'm doing outside of that. All in all, I would write down kind of what are some positives in your life that are moving you towards your goal. Remember, your goal should be written down somewhere. And what are some poisons that are holding you back from your goal? Write these down. Writing is kind of a sense of figuring these things out and really internalizing them and get rid of them, okay? Cross out the bad, focus on the good.